Did you know that all stores strive to maximize upsell opportunities to boost their average order value? For businesses starting out, upselling to increase AOV can make the difference between just breaking even and turning a profit, layering a solid foundation for future growth. And for businesses already thriving, earning $100,000 each month, missing out on upselling could mean losing an extra $10,000 monthly. Now let's explore the secret to boosting your AOV, sales funnels. A sales funnel is a step-by-step process that guides potential customers through the journey from awareness to purchase. It's designed to maximize conversions at each stage to achieve the ultimate goals of increased revenue and AOV. So you might be wondering how to create your own sales funnel. Well, look no further than GemPages Sales Funnels. With this new feature, building a high-converting sales funnel has never been easier. The checkout and thank you pages are set as the default Shopify pages, so you'll only need to add and customize the pre-sale and upsell pages. For the pre-sale page, you can customize it just like a regular product page. For the post-purchase pages, you can offer a single product or multiple products as your upsell first. After selecting your products, the sales funnel will display two scenarios: what happens if the customer accepts the offer, and what happens if they decline it. In each scenario, you can offer another upsell or a downsell with different products. This way, no matter what the customer decides, there's always another chance to make a sale. You can also freely customize these upsell or downsell pages. You can set up the second upsell and downsell offers the same way. Once you've completed all the steps, click the Activate Sales Funnel button. A link will appear, allowing you to preview the entire sales funnel process. By following these simple steps, you're setting your business up for success and making sure every customer interaction is optimized for maximum revenue.